MacBook Pro open box. Gonna open this box here. You have a little something here, the plastic. You're gonna pull, you don't need the scissor. You can peel out right here. Easy, easy. Box looks nice. I got this one here, 8 gigabytes. Unified memory. Boom. Here. So we'll see what is in the box. Nice box, like always. Okay, I'm gonna pull here. The computer, very thin. See? That's the one that has the M1. I'm gonna just take the plastic. Very thin, light. Wow. Here, once you open, you need to be very careful. Oh, it's already turned on by itself. Have a little protection here on the screen, which I'm gonna take that right now. That's the computer, super light. Super light. And it comes with this charger here. Charger, the cable actually. Cable charger. This is instructions. MacBook Pro instructions with the stickers.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
And the adapter here for the charger. I think that's it. Box, yep, it's all good. That's it. Hope you guys liked the video. Click like, share. Thank you for watching.